Hello, welcome to this video on how to gather information from a county website for a mailing list. So there should be two instructional sheets that come with this video. The first is this sheet that says how to gather information from a county website for a mailing list. And this will walk through what we are going to cover in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Along with this, you should have received this Excel spreadsheet, and the overview is what we're going to do is to take this parcel ID number, go to the county website, and collect this data: the owner name, the owner address, the city, state, zip code of the owner, the parcel acreage, and then the offer amount that will not need to be collected. So let's go ahead and take a look at the instructional sheet. First thing it says is to open your browser. I use Firefox. You can use any browser you want. And we're going to work out of Castilla County in Colorado. So I'm going to search Castilla County. And each county will be slightly different. The basics will be the basics, but the county websites will be different. So we're going to give you the basics and have you work from there. So I'm looking for Castilla County in Colorado. I'm going to select this one. So here we have Castilla County. And we're going to look for the auditor of the for the assessor. And here we're going to go to this area that says County Assessor Property Search. The instructions for this particular website makes us go through EagleWeb. Now once we're at this point, we can now take our parcel ID number from our Excel spreadsheet. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and see if we can get both of those on the same screen. We'll open our spreadsheet. Now in a previous video we showed you how to use Google Earth and Parlay 2.0 to gather these parcel ID numbers, and we're going to now complete this spreadsheet. So if we put these side by side, and I will take this parcel ID number and copy it over into this box, and then we're going to search for that site there. That will bring us to this area here. Now it's a little tough with it minimized, but this is the property owner for this particular site. And now let's just open this up for a second. So I'm going to open up this person here, and now I have their name and I have their address, and we're going to simply move that over into that Excel spreadsheet. So I like to just copy and paste. So we'll click that owner name. If it goes past here, don't worry about that. Now here we'll have to put this in manually. We know we're working out of Colorado and Castilla County. So there's Colorado and there's Castilla. And these you can simply copy and paste on down because they're going to be the same for the area that we're working in right now. So now we're going to go to the address. So 1250 Dudley Street. We'll copy that over into here. We've got the city is Lakewood. Now sometimes it's easier to copy and paste, and sometimes it's just frankly easier to just type it in. And here we know it's Colorado. The acronym is CO. The zip code, and I do like to have that entire zip code 80215 with a dash 4224. Now the parcel acreage, here's where we're going to go in units. So let's see. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. Here in Castilla County, this says 1 unit, but in Castilla County, every unit is 5 acres. Now, one thing that we can do, if you recall back to the previous training video where we were using Google Earth, that's probably a better spot to collect the parcel size. So we probably already have that in there. So I just know from working with this that this parcel size is 5 acres. So let's see. All right, that is the nuts and bolts of how we build this mailing list. Now, once we have a number of parcels where we have that information gathered, and I'd like to do probably every 40 to 50 properties, I'm going to ask you to send over that mailing list, and we'll walk you through on how to do that. We like to mail out about 40 offers a day. So we take this and we put it into a mailing list program, and we simply mail out to this owner an offer to purchase his property. If they're interested, they contact us back, and we just start the process, the negotiation of buying their property from them. A couple of things to point out here on this sheet. These were the coordinates given on that first training video as to where to collect the parcel ID from. That helps us block a certain area. These are the 4 corners roughly of a rectangular area, and that way we're kind of doing a mailing to the same region. It just helps us to stay focused. And when we're working with the state and the county, notice that this state and county is the area that we're looking at the land in. However, the state of the owner could be, in this information, it's the same state, it's Colorado, but it's a different city. We might find out of state owners, we might find out of the country owners, and you know, those won't be the same, because the owner might live elsewhere but be the owner of the property in this county, in this state. So I just wanted to point those things out. Okay, so that is the training video, and if you have questions after this, please send us an email. Thank you.